This is Auto Vibe 360, where cars come back to life.
The Ford Mustang, first introduced in 1964 by Ford Motor Company, is one of the most iconic muscle cars in automotive history, known for its powerful performance, aggressive design, and unmistakable presence on the road. Built with a range of engines, from classic V8 powerhouses to modern turbocharged performance units, the Mustang represents speed, freedom, and raw American engineering. But this particular Mustang has lost its shine over time, covered in layers of dirt, dust, and neglect, hiding the beauty beneath its surface. Today, we begin a complete deep detailing transformation to bring this legend back to life. We start with a heavy pre-wash foam, covering the entire car in thick white foam to break down years of grime and dirt, followed by a high-pressure rinse that strips away the loose contaminants. Moving to the wheels, the dirtiest part of any car, we carefully scrub away brake dust and built-up grime using specialized brushes, restoring the original shine of the rims. Next comes the hand wash process, using a safe two-bucket method and a soft microfiber glove to gently clean the paint without causing scratches, revealing a cleaner and brighter surface with every pass. After washing, we move to the clay bar treatment, a crucial step that removes deeply embedded contaminants that washing alone cannot eliminate, leaving the surface incredibly smooth like glass. Then comes the polishing stage, where a machine buffer is used to remove fine scratches and swirl marks, restoring the deep gloss and mirror-like reflection that defines a true Mustang finish. As the paint begins to shine again, the transformation becomes undeniable. The interior is not forgotten, as we deep clean the seats, vacuum every corner, wipe down the dashboard, and condition the leather surfaces to restore a fresh and premium feel inside the cabin. Finally,